In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hibernate a LinkedIn account. If you want to take a break from LinkedIn without permanently deleting your profile, hibernating your account is a useful option. It allows you to step away from the platform while keeping the possibility of returning later. I'll walk you through the process clearly so you can do it quickly and confidently. To get started, open LinkedIn and go to your feed. This is the main home page you usually see after signing in. Once you're there, look toward the top area of the screen and click on Me. This is the menu where LinkedIn keeps your personal account options, profile access, and settings. After opening that menu, click on Settings and Privacy. This is where LinkedIn stores the controls for your account, visibility, sign-in options, and other important preferences. When the settings page opens, take a moment to make sure you're in the right place, because this next part involves scrolling to a more specific section. Now, scroll down until you reach the account management section. This area contains options related to your overall account status, including ways to change or limit how your account is being used. As you scroll, move carefully so you don't skip past it. Once you find account management, click on Hibernate Account. LinkedIn will then take you to a page that explains what hibernation means. In general, this is meant for users who want to temporarily step away rather than fully close their account. It's a good idea to read the information on this page so you understand what changes while your account is hibernated. When you're ready to continue, click on Hibernate. This confirms your choice and starts the process of putting your account into hibernation mode. And that's it. Your LinkedIn account will be hibernated once the confirmation goes through. If you're doing this because you want less visibility or fewer notifications for a while, this can be a practical middle ground between staying active and deleting your account completely. As a quick tip, before hibernating, you may want to make sure you remember your login details so it's easier to come back later. It can also help to review any active job applications or important messages first, just in case you need access to them before stepping away. That's the full process for hibernating a LinkedIn account. Follow these steps carefully, and you should be able to complete it in just a few minutes.